Hello friends and potential friends. Well, a couple weeks ago one of my friends left a comment saying how lucky I was to have a Florida avocado growing in my yard. And then I realized that in my last garden tour I totally neglected to even show the thing. Well, that is my Florida avocado. About 8 or 9 feet tall, maybe 10. It's good and healthy. It's been planted out here for about 3 years now, and it hasn't died yet. And that's kind of impressive to me because I've killed a lot of avocados over the years. I usually try to plant those little smaller ones, what I call a Mexican avocado, but they really come from all over down South Mexico, Central America, Northern South America, probably in the islands. But they do not like the weather up here in Central Florida. Well, this guy, I happened across one of the larger avocados in the grocery store one time. And when I looked at the tag, it said it came from a farm down south of Miami. So I planted that seed, kept it on the patio for at least a year. Finally it got so big that I couldn't move it around much, so I brought it out here and put it in the ground. And it's been out here for 2, maybe even 3 years. So it looks like I might at some point be able to make my own guacamole. Well, the other day I was talking to a neighbor, and she happened to mention that she was worried about her avocado tree because it was hanging over the house. If you look real close there's a big oak tree in the background, a couple of them actually. But the bright green leaves you see there are Florida avocado. And she tells me at certain times of the year that thing is just loaded with huge avocados. It's a good 20 feet tall at least, and it's been in there for a long time. So that gives me hope that maybe I can grow an avocado here in Central Florida. So not only is there a good chance that this avocado is going to survive, but now I know there's a good source of pollen in the neighborhood. So I might be getting some avocados one of these years. I sure hope so. Meanwhile, I'll just keep watching it and growing it. Try to clear some of this junk around it. Try to keep it healthy. And we shall see. And I will see you on the next video.